Hello my darling Fumi Nation, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode, because we still got that Academy Award vibe. Today we're talking about the after party. To be precise, the Vanity Fair party. That's the party that all of the celebrities go to after the Academy Awards. The winners go there with their trophies. Those that are in support of the nominees, they go to the parties. They have like a watch party where they go earlier and they sit back and they watch the Academy Awards and then anticipate the arrival of the winners. It's a fun night and it is also a fabulous fashion moment. If you don't see them at the Academy Awards, you're gonna see them where? At the party. Are you loving the look, my darlings? Are we loving the look? I said, why not? Let me just turn it around so you can see. It is a band, just a headband. It is by Fancy Ladies, one of my fabulous go-to fashion houses. I've worn a lot of their outfits on this channel, even for my fashion lookbooks, and I just live for this. It just gives me superstar. It gives me celebrity. It gives me Whitney Houston. When you can come out with the bling bling and the blang blang, that's what it is when it comes to the after parties. So guess what, my darlings? We have for the very first time on my channel, and hopefully not the last, we are going to review the Vanity Fair red carpet arrivals. Why not? Sit back, my darlings, and let us enjoy. So I have my list here. Let's look at what we got. And first up, might I say, Rita Ora in Misohi. Glamour. Fabulous. Is giving me Veronica Lake. Veronica Lake was a movie star back in the day, 1940s, 1950s. I love that wavy hair cascading down one side. I love the cape. I love the coat. Big, beautiful sleeves with that lovely embellished dress and the deep V in the middle encrusted with stones. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous with that power red lip. I'm not here to play. I'm here to see the producers, directors for the next film. I'm here. That's what she's giving me. Live for it. Then we have beautiful Kim Kardashian in Balenciaga. I loved the color. Oh my God, fabulous. But it's boring. Kim, you've done this 100 times in 100 different ways. I'm tired of it. I'm bored of it. I'm bored with the all-in-one silhouette, gloves, shoes, everything. We can't see a bit of anything. Nah, it's over for me. I don't get these sunglasses on the red carpet. Do you guys? Does it make sense? I mean, you can't see. Oh. Maybe it's the paparazzi because they're flashing light bulbs. Okay, maybe that. Even then, nah. House of CB had a particular dress like this. I think it was leather blue skirt, and I saw it and I was like, I'm not sure, do I want it? And then I decided that yes, I did want it, and I could never find it. Till this very day, I regret not buying that skirt. And it was in this same beautiful Miami blue that Kim Kardashian is wearing. That's all I can say. High neck, covered, everything. Boring, Kim. So boring. We are over it. But the color was fabulous. Keeping up with the Kardashian Jenner family, we have Kourtney, and Kourtney was wearing Dolce & Gabbana. This has to be the worst dress I have ever seen by Dolce & Gabbana. I hated it. Everything about it. The nude mesh. I didn't understand the dress. What was this? I didn't understand the dress. Did I like her hair? No. I did not like. This is strange. I did not like anything about this look. You guys let me know if you feel different, but I did not care for what Kourtney was wearing. Let's keep it in the family. We also have Kendall Jenner in Balenciaga. And she's gorgeous. Beautiful body. It's as if she was running out the door. She tripped. She caught the curtain and she dragged the curtain to the red carpet. I didn't understand this. It was too much. Too overwhelming for her. Beautiful girl. She didn't have to wear this. I know she had other things, but perhaps she wasn't in the mood. Sometimes you're just not in the mood to bring the sexy. You don't want to be sexy. You just want to eat everything and you just want to relax and enjoy the party without you being slinky dinky, because she really does come with the looks. But I was surprised with this one. It just was not my fave at all. Alrighty, we have Sweetie, who wore custom etro. I like it. For a party, for Vanity Fair party. Yes, yes, yes. It was giving me JLo Versace vibes. With the deep V. That's what it's giving me. It's just that this one is black. I love the hair. Some people thought that it was too big. Go big or go home, honey. I'm that Texas girl. You know how I feel. I love the hair. I like it. I like it. Would she be comfortable in this outfit? I don't think she'll be sitting down too much. But then again, the dress will be structured in such a way that everything will be in place all night. Till the minute she gets drunk. Then she's in trouble. But I loved the dress. Yeah. Then we have Rihanna, who was wearing Valentino. Beautiful. Naomi wore this dress for Valentino and she did the final walk, and Naomi didn't have a bandeau and they were going back and forth, should we put something underneath? But Naomi, being the model, the professional that she was like, I'll just wear it like that. And I loved it then, and I love it even more on Rihanna. Let me just take this time to say Rihanna's pregnancy looks have been so rock and roll, have been so fabulous, have been so unique, so fresh, so on point. I bow down to her. She showed that tummy with such pride, and she dressed it up and bejeweled it up, and it was good to see something new, something different. Rihanna rocked her pregnancy. She's still rocking it, as a matter of fact. Gorgeousness. I live for it. My girl Beyonce. Hey. Hi, honey. And she was in Celia Crithrotti. I like it. I like it. I love it. It's very her. She's got that beautiful figure. You got the nude mesh. Go on and have a party. Again, I don't care for the glasses. I hate these little glasses. It doesn't do anything for me. But you know, hey. But she looked gorgeous. She looked gorgeous and she looked buxom. I think that this just compliments her all the way. I lived for it. Ciara was wearing the Petsa. At first when I saw it, I was like, no, don't think I like it. It's giving me couch vibes. And then when she turned and gave me a couple of angles, I like it. I love this burgundy on her. I love her body. I love this look on her. The dress is super different, and it was tittering, but it came back though. It came back. Do you remember when Lady Gaga wore Meat to an event? I can't remember. It almost gave me that, but this was the polished, this was the fashion, this was the high fashion version. Ciara is killing it. I am loving what she's giving to us on the red carpet. Ciara, whenever you come to London, let's hang out. As a matter of fact, let me call her. It's ringing. Ciara, darling, it's Fumi. How are you, honey? Yes, everybody's fine. You know, yes, Paduski's doing okay. How are you and the kids? I hear you're trying to make baby number 4. Yeah. Well, listen, you ever come to London, let all of us go out. You know, me, you, Russell, Ula, and let's have a good old time and kick back. Loving what you're doing, sunshine. Oh, my love. Mwah. Yes. I'll let them know. I'm reviewing you right now. Yeah. Yes, I liked it. I did. I lived for it. Oh, wait a minute. Julia Fox in Hang Jobehaven. When I saw it, I thought that was Kanye's hand. I really did. I thought it was Kanye. I hated it. It's a hot mess. It's too violent. It's too aggressive. There's nothing glamour about this. This is gothic. This is Halloween. The eyes looked red. The makeup, get over yourself, Julia, please. It does not suit you. No matter what Kanye would have told you. This is a horrible look on you. It's too stark. It's too harsh. It's just not working. Are those tattoos? What is this? Sancti spirit. It's just too no, it's too Halloween. Zendaya wore Sport Max. It was different. It was sharp. She didn't show anything. It was gorgeous. I loved the purple shirt. I loved the suit. Again, Zendaya, she slicked her hair back. She can wear anything. And I think this was different for her. And it was very unexpected. And I loved it. I absolutely loved it because you remember she had the bare midriff at the Academy Awards with the beautiful bejeweled skirt and that cropped shirt. Here she was like, you know what, I just want to be covered up, have 1 or 2 drinks, Bellinis, say hi to a couple of people, and I'm going home. I lived for this. You know what it gave me? Prince. It gave me Prince. That's what it gave me. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Fly with the highest. Laurie Harvey in Tony Ward. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. She understood the assignment. I loved everything about it. Loved it. Beautiful body, beautiful girl, beautiful dress. Loved it. Dakota Johnson in Gucci, give it to me. You know how much I love my feathers. You know how I love the drama, the extra. This is everything. Cinched in at the waist with the tail. Oh, it's just glamour. It gives me J-Lo vibes. It gives me Diana Ross vibes back in the day. This just exudes glamour. I used to smoke back in the day. I would have my cigarette holder with a cigarette at the end, and I'll be wearing this dress. I'll be sashaying through my house to a little cocktail party with close friends. I would wear this dress. Yes, yes, yes. I'm that extra, no apologies. And there, my darlings, are the looks that caught my eye on the Vanity Fair step and repeat after party. You guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what were your favorites down below. Don't forget to like, to share, and I will see you very, very soon, my darlings. That's it for the Academy Awards in a nutshell for 2022. And I'll be back with more. Okay? I love you. Mwah.